Okay guys, I'm running out of battery, but I couldn't help myself. I came to see if they had a Grand Highlander after I dropped off the 4Runner. This is gonna be a new video. It's so nice. Look at it. Oh no, I haven't. Yeah, I was talking to Leon. Okay.
So this is pretty simple. It's kind of still like the Highlander, just pushes down. The headrest goes down automatically. And then that's the space, but that is all of your space down there. This is just like a compartment for some tools right here.
Yeah, very nice.
And then your spare tires under.
Okay.
You're able to get
Is it a full-size spare tire?
Well, like your donut. So,
yeah.
Yeah, okay. You get the bucket seats. You have the option for the bench if you want to.
Okay. I'm looking for the premium or the platinum.
Okay.
That's the model I want.
So then you're for sure going to have the bucket seats.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's really spacious compared to the 4Runner. I mean, that's totally different cars, I know.
Yes. I would say maybe your space is going to be more on the height. A lot of people right now is comparing them more to the Highlander or the Sequoias. Because if you compare it to the Highlander, you have more leg room or more headroom. Yeah. And then obviously the trunk space. Yeah. Because on the Highlander, once you have the third row sitting up, you don't have that much trunk space. Same with the Sequoia. Right.
Okay. Okay. The second row, I'm just gonna sit in here really quickly, just to see. The 4Runner, I'm sure because of all the, the suspension underneath, it really wasn't that tall here in the second row. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And then it's over on that side, you have 3 pulleys. The very first one on the front is where you move it back and forth.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that goes really close. Okay. Oh, and it folds forward.
Yeah.
And then it leans back. That's pretty nice.
So you can do it like that, put this all the way down. Let's say that you do go camping, you can put it flat. Yeah. And if you move it all the way back, it's kind of...
Right. I mean, that can be fixed. And it's got cup holder. Already I can tell that it is obviously much longer than the 4Runner. I'm here with Diego at Karl Malone Toyota. This is very impromptu, but he's just going to cover some of the features with us of the Grand Highlander XLE model. Okay.
So this feature here, the armrest is still kind of like the same as your regular Highlander, where you pretty much open it here in the middle, and then you have all your space here down. On the gas options, you're going to have this kind of like multi-terrain select, where it is your snow mode, rock, dirt, mud, and sand. If you do go for the hybrid option, it all converts into a trail option. Go ahead.
Trail? Okay.
Go ahead and turn it on. It's right here.
Oh, right there.
And then this is your wireless phone charger. I kind of want to explain this feature.
Okay.
So while you're driving,
my case might be too big, but...
No, so
oh my goodness, it goes
that way.
Oh my gosh, that is so deep.
And I think your case may still be fine. Yeah.
There it is. Wow.
Yeah. As long as you don't have any magnets, it would work just perfect.
I do have, well, they're not magnets, they're just steel plates for magnetic holders. But, anyway.
So in this one, so you have your dual climate control, heated seats on both front seats for this model. You do have such a safety features. You have blind spot monitors, lane assist, brake collision avoidance, your adaptive cruise control, which is pretty nice. So if you're going to be doing a lot of driving on the freeway, just turn that on. It's super comfortable. Hold feature over here is for whenever you're driving, you click that feature and the vehicle pretty much holds itself. You don't have to hold the brake. Does that make sense? Yeah, so here, let me show you. Put your seatbelt on. Okay. That's way easier
to really explain that. And there's probably a good cup holder. Oh my goodness, that is, wow, that is super deep. Okay.
So Stanleys are so popular now.
Right.
Someone did it with a Stanley and it fits.
Did they?
They did, yeah.
Yeah, that's huge.
So go ahead and hold the brake.
Okay, got
When you put it on drive, you're going to click on hold. Now you have hold over there in green, saying that the system is active.
Okay.
Now there's another hold in yellow or orange, saying that it's currently on. So if you let go of your brake while we have it on drive, it's holding the vehicle for you.
What?
Once you push on the gas, it will start going, and then once you come into a full stop, it will do the same.
So what's the purpose in that?
The safety side of it is let's say you're on a red light or you're just waiting.
Yeah.
In case you get distracted, the car doesn't move if you let go of the brake, and then you run into rear end somebody else. My side is just like a lazy feature when you can just relax, let go of the brake.
Yeah, a feature you didn't know you needed, but maybe you do need it.
So yeah, 100%. You're able to control the rear climate control from here, from the front. Just click on this one, it controls everything for the back.
Okay.
Or they have the controls on the back as well. You do have vents over here on the second row, all the way back to the third row.
Wow.
You have the rain sensing wipers. Then most of the model are coming with panoramic moonroof as well.
Oh man.
Which you have two, one for the shade and one to open the moonroof on the front.
Oh, so, okay, well that's fancy. Even the shade is automatic, okay. Wow, I love it.
And then, I'm not gonna open it right now because we're gonna get wet, but you can open the first half. Which is very cool because it's very big,
It's huge.
Garage door openers right here, in case you need them.
And this one does have the 4Runner didn't have a sunglass holder.
No.
Which was weird.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is just card holder right there. Bring it down. Your light is up here top.
Okay. Okay. Oh, but it doesn't have or does this? Okay, so that extends. That's nice.
There's something that Toyota has actually started doing that I like. Some other brands also have it now, which is the microphones over here. Before you would only have one more towards the middle or one side, and now you have them both on each side. What are things that you're interested in?
So, what is the difference between this model and the Platinum?
Well, you have more features. You're going to get the ventilated seats on the front row. You have heated second row. Then you also have the 360 bird eye view cameras. This one doesn't have the parking sonar, so the Percivity ones. It will give you that one. You have remote start, heated steering wheel.
Does the remote start come with a subscription only?
So it's free for the first year.
Okay.
But then it's a subscription, yes.
And these are just probably buttons on the Platinum?
But yes.
Okay.
Which would be some of the 360 heated steering wheel features like that.
Oh, where is is this a gas version? Okay, so this one doesn't have the plug. The 110 outlet, the
right, so that's
plug.
Usually on the back.
Yeah.
However, I do have to double check with you if that's something that the Grand Highlander does have.
Yeah,
because
with the Platinum, it does have a plug.
Okay, then you know more than me on that side.
Okay. Wow. This is big. It's spacious.
Yeah, you have a power outlet here, power outlet here. This one also goes connected with your CarPlay, but carless. The CarPlay is wireless.
That is so cool. I've never used a wireless charger on my phone because I always thought the case was too big. But that's impressive because this is a OtterBox.
And then your glove box is here.
Yeah, that's huge. Very cool. Okay. Alrighty then. Let me. Oh well, that's fine. Okay, are we gonna drive this now? I'll turn this off.
Off, and then one side of the vehicle from the back. And then it actually has the prediction trajectory.
Right.
Which it shows you from the top if you're hit anything on the sides.
Okay, so on the Platinum, you get like the 4Runner, you get that bird's eye view. I love it, dude. This just turns so well, and that it picked up that lady.
Power.
What's that?
Might have to hit a little bit of power on the gas.
Listen, I got it. I got it. Okay, Diego, you should see the places I go on a CX-5.
Hey, I love that at least you were willing to put it back up here.
Heck yeah. Oh my goodness, are we already stuck in the... No wonder you said more gas. Okay, don't worry. Are you scared?
No.
Oh, there we go.
I knew you had this. That's why
I got it. I got it. Okay, I just want to show what the windows look like in here. Spacious, big, just like the 4Runner. Really easy to see out of it. And the maneuverability of this car, amazing. What did you call it? You said handling.
Yes.
Handling. Beautiful. Easy. It doesn't feel like this big of a car. I love it. I'm ready to buy it. Let's go. Let's go buy it, Diego.
I just have to find you the right one.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get in it. Diego's gonna be kind enough to be my camera person, and we're gonna see how long this is. Dude, look at this. Look at this. This is like perfect. I can even have a passenger in here with my whole camping setup. I'm gonna rent one of these when they're available through Amber. So
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Diego. He's the inventory guy. I think that's what he was. I'm sorry about the wind. My GoPro has no more battery. And I'm trying to go over here to see if I can see the other Grand Highlander that I saw when I picked up the 4Runner. Anyway, Bo said that the wait, it's 12 to 16 months to order. Like you put down a $500 deposit if you want to get a loan through them. And then it's like they have 84-month loan terms. I was like, the credit union only had, oh yeah, here it is, I swear. Only had 60. And he's like, oh yeah, that's just what they advertise on their site, but they have longer. I'm like, you shouldn't have told me that, dude. Then I'll just go through the credit union. Bro, that's gotta be, okay, so, all right, let me just say this really quick. My Uber's gonna come. No, I have to do both, Rachel. Anyway, the Grand Highlander to drive, that was only a gas, but it was so sporty. Like, it was very, what do you call it? Again, handling, I need to remember that term. Handling was great, and it did not feel like it had all of that extra in the back. I went and even talked to the accessory, M&M accessory department. This is a hybrid back. This is a platinum. What the heck? This is a platinum. Does this belong to somebody? I need to put my camera down. This is probably on order. Dude, this is nice. Is it open? Probably not. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Anyway, yeah, so then the accessory department, M&M, she said that it could be like a year after they create a new car for the accessories to start coming. Like the Sequoia, the 2024, they have to figure out the new setup for that because of the changes in the body style. Yeah, so I need to order whatever. I want to drive the Grand Highlander, rent it. I guess if I order it, I can cancel it. I'm not locked in. But I need to, yeah, order it. So a year, dude, I'm going to have to get new tires for my car. Okay. Well, that was very unexpected. Thank you again to Diego for letting me put him on video and for letting me drive the car so quickly. I love it. Tons of space. Got to get the measurements. Anyway, let me know what you thought of the Grand Highlander. It's very impromptu. Maybe I'll come back when he has a Platinum to test drive at least. They don't have one to rent, and go from there. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to own a Toyota. It's going to happen. Probably in a year, but it's gonna happen. Okay, we're back actually. Leon didn't steer me wrong. I was talking to him. He saw my camera with my microphone on it. He knew I was looking for the Grand Highlander. He told me there was one over here that's black. Look at that, and black rims. That's nice. My ride is gonna be coming soon. A lift. I have no ride. Gotta do the lift because people are in the hospital. Anyway, is this open?
No, that's open.
I just want to see what. Oh, it's a Platinum. It's a Platinum, but it's a gas version. Bro, why didn't I see this one? Oh, I didn't even pay attention when I first looked, when Diego was showing me. But yeah, that's spacious. The opening looks about as big as a 4Runner. I love that it has this thing. Okay, let's look really quick inside. Ooh. Wow, look at the lights. Ooh, that's so fancy. It smells so good. I love it. I need it. This is really ugly. It's beautiful. Black tires, love that. I'd be blacking this out. I don't like that. That looks stupid. Black out everything. Everything. Okay, I need to go to my lift now. So there's a Platinum.